again, Bobcats. Mrs. Corral here. Before we jump into our feature, I want to go over a few letter sounds for our phonics routine. So here we go. D, E, I, A, Ch, K, V. All right, now think carefully. What did we learn this week? What was our feature of this week? I'll give you a clue. Somewhere over here. All right, let's see if you remember how the glued sounds sound together. I'm going to point to the first one. Ink. Ank. Unk. Onk. Nice job, you guys. We're going to build a few words together by blending them together, and then we're going to write some words together. So you might want to pause the video and get a piece of paper and a pencil. All right. So let's go ahead and get started. So the very first word I want to build is, here we go. I hope you're blending. I bet you did it without me, but we're going to do it together. 3, 2, 1, go. Ink. Think. Nice job. Get ready. And go. D, unk, dunk. Nice job. Here we go. Unk, sunk. Uh-oh. Where's my letter? There we go. Three, two, one, blend. Ink, crank. All right, and the last one, I'm just going to take these away. You try. All right, now we'll do it together. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. B-ink, bank. Now, we're going to use those features and we're going to spell the words together. We will still be blending before because we want to make sure that we're using the correct letters, okay? So, I've got my whiteboard and hopefully you have a piece of paper because I'm going to let you try it first and then we'll do it together, okay? So, the first word that I want us to spell is thank. Thank, like thank you for watching this video. Thank. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is think about the first part of thank. Okay? I know that's a digraph. So we have ank. I know that feature because we've been working on it. You go ahead and try to write it and then we'll see if you got it. Ank. Think. Let's blend it. Ank, think. Ank, think. All right. The next word is bunk. Bunk. So I'm going to tap it out. B-unk, bunk. All right. B. I know the first part. Let's see if you can beat me to it. Did you say this letter? All right, now we have our last glued sound. B-unk. Unk. Let's see if you can do it before me. Thumbs up if you did this one. Nice job. So we have b-unk, bunk. All right, the next one is pink. The color pink is my favorite. Pink. So I'm going to tap that out. P, ink. P, ink. Okay, let's see if you can write the first sound. Did you get that? All right, now we have our last glued sound. P, ink. Ink. Thumbs up if you spelled it like this. Nice job, you guys. All right. The next word that we want to spell is bonk. Bonk. B-onk. Bonk. All right, I know that first letter. Let's see if you can get it written down before I do. Bonk. Oops. Okay. B-onk. Thumbs up if you spelled it this way. Bonk. Nice job, you guys. And our last one is blink. Blink. All right, I'm going to tap that. All right, so I have ink. Blink. Ooh, okay. Ink. All right. So I have the first sound, b. B-oo. And the last glued sound, ink. Thumbs up if you spelled blink like this. Nice job, first graders. See you next time.